Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy. Tout va bien? Moi j'ai ma tasse de café. En Belgique, il pleut. À Bruxelles, il pleut. Il n'y a pas de soleil. Well, it's quite rainy in Belgium, but I'm really happy you're with me. I can see that we are still more or less 50 people reading this book. So really very happy. We're going now to attack the third part of the story, La Roulette of Le Petit Nicolas. And as we usually do, I first read the 2 pages, then I analyze them, and then I read them again, hoping that you understand more the second time I'm reading. So let's go for it immediately. Well, you see here the little boys playing with La Roulette, and then you can see the two supervisors quite angry, not agreeing, and we are going to read about that. So, si personne ne gagne, c'est le patron de la roulette qui ramasse tout. À la télé, en tout cas, c'était comme ça, a dit Clotaire. On t'a pas sonné, a crié Alceste. On n'est pas à la télé ici. Si c'est pour jouer comme ça, je reprends ma fiche et puis j'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. T'as pas le droit, tu l'as perdu, a dit Geoffroy. Puisque c'est moi qui l'ai gagné, a dit Eudes. Alors on s'est tous mis à discuter. Mais on a vu que Le Bouillon et Monsieur Mouchabière, qui sont nos surveillants, nous regardaient de l'autre bout de la cour. Alors on s'est mis d'accord. Allez, a dit Geoffroy, la première fois, c'était pour de rire. On recommence. Bon, a dit Rufus, je prends le 24. Je croyais que tu ne voulais pas jouer parce qu'elle était truquée, ma roulette, a demandé Geoffroy. Justement, a dit Rufus, elle est truquée pour que ce soit le 24 qui sorte, tiens. On l'a bien vu au dernier coup. Geoffroy a regardé Rufus. Il a mis un doigt sur son front et il a commencé à visser. Et avec son autre main, il a fait tourner la roulette. Et puis la bille s'est arrêtée devant le numéro 24. Geoffroy s'est arrêté de visser et il a ouvert des yeux tout ronds. Rufus, qui avait un gros sourire sur sa figure, allait ramasser les sous. Mais Eudes l'a poussé. Non, monsieur, a dit Eudes, tu vas pas ramasser ces sous. Tu as triché. J'ai triché, moi? A crié Rufus. Mauvais joueur, voilà ce que tu es. J'ai joué le 24 et j'ai gagné. La roulette est truquée, c'est toi-même qui l'as dit, a crié Geoffroy. Elle doit pas s'arrêter 2 fois de suite sur le même numéro. Alors là, ça a été terrible, parce que tout le monde s'est battu avec tout le monde. Et le bouillon est arrivé avec Monsieur Mouchabière. Arrêtez! Silence! A crié le bouillon. Ça faisait un moment que nous vous observions, Monsieur Mouchabière et moi-même. Regardez-moi bien dans les yeux. Qu'est-ce que vous manigancez, Ben, on jouait à la roulette et ils trichent tous, a dit Rufus. J'avais gagné et… Non, monsieur, tu n'avais pas gagné, a crié Alceste. Et personne ne touchera à mes sous. J'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. Une roulette? A crié le bouillon. Vous jouiez avec une roulette dans la cour de l'école et ça par terre? Mais ce sont des… Okay, so now we're going back to the beginning and let's try to analyze word per word. So, personne means nobody. And on the other page, we had the little word si, if. So, if nobody gagne, gagner is to win. Well, you will find all the vocabulary in my document, of course. If nobody wins, it is the boss. Le patron is the boss de la roulette, of the roulette, who collects everything. Ramasser means to gather, to collect. Tout is everything. À la télé, on television, en tout cas, in all cases, c'était comme ça. It was like that, a dit Clotaire, said Clotaire. Now, it's very good to learn by chunks You see, because, for example, I put in your vocabulary list, en tout cas, anyway, in all cases. So it's very good to learn by chunks. On t'a pas sonné, a crié Alceste. Well, really, it means we didn't ring you. It really means we didn't ask your opinion. On t'a pas sonné. Did you notice already, or did you notice also that the ne is lacking? Because normally in French, not is ne pas, it's two words. Ne in the beginning, pas at the end. And here we don't have the ne after on. This is done very often in spoken language. When you speak, very often you don't say the ne. But so it means, we didn't ask you anything, screamed Alceste. On n'est pas à la télé ici. We are not on television here. You remember also that on in French, on, it can mean we, it can mean they, it can mean one, so it can mean quite a lot of things. Here it is we. Si c'est pour jouer comme ça, if it is to play like that, je reprends ma fiche. I take back my chip. Et puis, and then, j'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer. I have the honor to greet you. Well, that sentence you can forget. It's just a way of saying little boys might do. So, but that you don't have to know. T'as pas le droit. You don't have the right. And you see here also, it says t'as, but it should have said tu n'as pas. So again, the ne is gone. So you do not have le droit, the right. Tu l'as perdu. You have lost it, or you lost it, said Geoffrey. Puisque c'est moi, since it's me, qui l'ai gagné. Who has won it? I won the chip. A dit Eudes, said Eudes. Alors, then, that's a word we use all the time in French. Alors, so then, on s'est tous mis à discuter. Yes, this verb, on s'est tous mis, we all put ourselves to. It really means we all started. It's a hard verb. You can forget it for the moment. So we all started to discuss, discuter. Mais on a vu le Bouillon et Monsieur Mouchabière. But we saw Mr. Bouillon and Mr. Mouchabière. Qui sont nos surveillants? Who are our supervisors? Nous regardaient, so they looked at us. So regarder, it's to look or to watch. They were looking at us. De l'autre bout, from the other side, de la cour, of the, la cour is the schoolyard. Alors, then, on s'est mis d'accord. So we, on s'est mis d'accord comes from the verb se mettre d'accord, to agree. It's also quite a complicated verb. You should remember the last part, d'accord. D'accord means I agree. Allez, a dit Geoffroy. Let's go, said Geoffrey. La première fois, c'était pour de rire. The first time, it was just to laugh. It means it was not serious. On recommence. We restart. We start all over again. Recommencer. Bon, a dit Rufus. Good, said Rufus. Je prends le 24. I take the number 24. Je croyais, I believed, I thought, that tu ne voulais pas jouer. You ne pas, didn't want to, voulait, comes from the verb vouloir, he didn't want to play, jouer. Parce qu'elle était truquée, because it was fixed, my roulette. Yes, you see again, elle, it really means she. It's referring to la roulette, because in French, every word is feminine or masculine. So she, it's la roulette. Okay? a demandé Geoffroy, asked Jeffrey. We know already that demander, it's not to demand, it's to ask. Justement, a dit Rufus. That's just it, that's the point, said Rufus. Elle est truquée. It, again, she, but it's the roulette. It is fixed. Pour que ce soit le 24 qui sorte, tiens. Pour que means so that it is the number 24 that comes out well. Okay, now I put in the vocabulary list that soit, S-O-I-T, this is a form of the verb to be, and it's this famous subjonctif, which hardly doesn't exist anymore in English, but in French, it's quite important and quite hard to study. So for the moment, just remember, soit is the subjonctif of the verb to be, but you don't have to know it for the moment. On l'a bien vu au dernier coup. We have seen it very well at the last go, the last time we played. Geoffroy a regardé Rufus. Jeffrey looked at Rufus. And you remember also, I say it every time, in French you will use the past perfect, a regardé, has looked at. In English, you would rather translate it, by simple past. So Jeffrey looked at Rufus. Il a mis un doigt sur son front. He put, mis, again coming from the verb mettre, to put, he put un doigt, it's a finger, on his forehead, le front. Et il a commencé, and he started to visser, to turn, you know what you do with a screwdriver. You have to watch out what I say on YouTube. So he started to turn. And you know, this is when you mean you're crazy. So he started to turn, meaning but you are crazy. Et avec son autre main, and with his other hand, il a fait tourner la roulette. He made turn the roulette. He turned the roulette. Et, and, puis, then, la bille s'est arrêtée devant le numéro 24. The ball, the small ball, s'est arrêtée, stopped, in front of the number 24. Geoffroy s'est arrêté de visser. Jeffrey stopped, arrêté is to stop, stopped turning. Et il a ouvert des yeux tout ronds. And he opened des yeux, eyes, totally round. He opened big, big eyes. He was thinking, what? Rufus, qui avait un gros sourire sur sa figure. Rufus, who had a big smile on his face, allait ramasser les sous. He was going, ramasser is to collect, les sous, the money that we saw already before. He was going to collect the money, mais Eudes l'a poussé. But Eudes pushed him. Non, monsieur, a dit Eudes. No, sir, said Eudes. Tu vas pas ramasser ces sous. And you see again, the ne is lacking. We have pas and not ne. Normally it should be tu ne vas pas. So you are not going to collect the money. Tu as triché. You cheated. J'ai triché? Moi? I cheated? Me? Screamed Rufus. Mauvais joueur. Well, it really says bad player, but I would rather say he's a sore loser. That's what it means. Mauvais joueur. Sore loser. Voilà ce que tu es. That's what you are. J'ai joué le 24. I played the number 24. Et j'ai gagné. And I won. La roulette est truquée. The roulette is fixed. C'est toi-même qui l'a dit, a crié Geoffroy. It's you, yourself, toi-même, yourself, who said it, screamed Jeffrey. Elle doit pas s'arrêter 2 fois de suite sur le même numéro. Again, the ne here is lacking. It should be elle ne doit pas. Donc, it, well, again, she, but the roulette, it must not stop 2 times de suite, 2 times in a row, on the same number. Alors là, so then, ça a été terrible. It was terrible. Parce que tout le monde s'est battu avec tout le monde. Tout le monde means everybody was fighting with everybody. Et le bouillon est arrivé. And yeah, le bouillon, that's the name of the man. They call him like that, le bouillon. Hein? He arrived with Mr. Mouchabière. Arrêtez! Stop it! Silence! Silence! Screamed le bouillon. Ça faisait un moment que nous vous observions. Ça faisait un moment, that means that it was already for some time, for a while. Ça faisait un moment. It was already for a while, for a moment, that we were observing you, Mr. Mouchabière and myself. Regardez-moi bien dans les yeux. Look me well in the eyes. Look at me. Qu'est-ce que vous manigancez? What? Qu'est-ce que means what? Manigancer is like scheming. What were you scheming? What were you up to? What were you scheming? Hein? Ben, well, on jouait à la roulette. We were playing at the roulette. Et ils trichent tous. And they cheat all, said Rufus. J'avais gagné. I had won. And... Non, monsieur, tu n'avais pas gagné, a crié Alceste. No, sir, you had not won, screamed Alceste. Et personne ne touchera à mes sous. And no one, remember, person means no one. It doesn't mean a person, it means nobody. And nobody will touch my money. Touchera, yeah, you see the whole verb toucher, and then the ending, a. So that means it's going to be a future tense. So nobody will touch my money. J'ai bien l'honneur de vous saluer, and I have the honor to greet you. You don't have to know that sentence. Une roulette, a roulette, screamed le bouillon. Vous jouiez avec une roulette. You were playing with a roulette dans la cour de l'école, in the yard of the school, in the schoolyard. Et ça, par terre. And that, on the ground. Mais ce sont des... But those are... We don't know how it goes on. I hope you will be there next week to read the story with me. I think it must be the end almost. So I hope you will be there next week. I'm going to finish my coffee. It's still very, very early. I got up really early today. I'm going to Leuven today. Going to, I have an appointment there. So I wish you a very, very good Tuesday and hope to see you next week. Bye.